how to use electric kettle. First, I start with filtering a water from the tap. Depending on your needs, choose your filter. Select a filter based on your needs and the contaminants you want to remove. Fill the filter with the water from the tap till the maximum sign and wait for the process to finish. Once water is completely filtered, fill the kettle.
A few moments later.
Open the lid and pour in the desired amount of water. Most kettles have a water level indicator on the inside, so you don't overfill. Securely close the lid and place the kettle on its base. Turn it on. The kettle will illuminate or an indicator light will turn on red to show it's heating. Wait for boiling. The kettle will automatically shut off once the water reaches boiling temperature. This usually takes 2 to 4 minutes depending on the amount of water you fill it. Now, your water is ready.